Good morning to all of you. Ashok Kumar Mishra. Today going to continue with the standard 6, continue with chapter 6. Log on to Animate CC. Animate क्या? Log on to Animate CC. सबसे पहले Animate क्या है? Animate is a software package that allow the users to create a interactive animation. Using animation, one can combine image, audio, video, other effect to create the animations. Originally it was designed to create the animation to play the web page. शुरुआत में इसका वेब पेज के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता था, लेकिन आजकल इसका इस्तेमाल गेम में, कार्टून में, वेबसाइट में, गैलरीज में किया जाता है. इसको स्टार्ट करने के लिए क्लिक द स्टार्ट बटन, देन एडोब एनिमेट सीसी. उसके अंदर एनिमेट में जब आप वर्क स्पेस में जाइएगा तो मेनू बार होगा, स्टेज होगा, टूल्स पैनल्स होंगे, प्रॉपर्टीज पैनल्स होंगे, टाइमलाइंस होगा. तो using the tool panel consists many tools that help to drawing the color, modifying an object. With help tools we can create the shape like the rectangle, circle, line in any other object. Drawing tools, rectangle tools is used to create a square and the rectangle shapes. Tools that has an option to set the draw a rounded rectangles. And poly star tools, these tools are used to draw polygons or the stars. And line tools works exactly same way. The line tools may be the graphics software. We use the line tool to draw a straight line. And curving, you can turn the straight lines into the curve and the selection tools. Pen tools, pencil tools, brush tools, these are the many tools which you have already used in the paint. And these tools used to insert the on the stage. Shortcut pen is the tool P. Selection tools, polygons tools, magic band tools, subselection tools, transforming tools. These are the various tools. ये सब वही टूल्स है जिसका आप लोगों ने पेंट में इस्तेमाल किया है. पेंट बकेट टूल्स, इंक बटल टूल्स, इरेजर टूल्स, हर एक टूल्स का इसका अपना एक इस्तेमाल है ना. उसके बाद फ्रेम बाय फ्रेम टेक्निक्स है ना. एनिमेट एन ऑब्जेक्ट. नाउ रिकैपिंग ऑफ दिस चैप्टर इज Adobe Animate CC is the software package that allows the user to create the interactive animation. And the stage is a rectangle workspace area where you can place the character, create and drawing or movies. A timeline is a window at the bottom of the stage. It divides into frames and it is the area where one can control the sequence and timing of the graphics and other elements of the movie. And the tool panel consists of the many tools that help in drawing, coloring and modifying an object. The selection tools are used to select a single or a multiple object on the stage. And the pencil tools is a freehand drawing tools. The ink bottle tools is used to change the color, width and style of the strokes. The eraser tools help you to erase unwanted lines and file of an object from a stage. The frame are the little rectangle cells that appear on the timeline and help to create the animate in the Animate CC. So these are the recapping of this chapter. Next class I will continue with the objective of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.